Next, I'll have to get the cab braced to be able to replace the floor pan. Because this door is all dented up down there, it's going to be hard to get on this piece here with a piece of steel to over here. So I did measure door jamb to door jamb and compared it to that side, and they're the same. I also measured that body mount hole to this body mount hole and compared it to the original 53 frame, and they're very close. So I'm probably going to wind up taking this door back out, welding a brace across here. I'll weld a brace across that door opening, and then I'll brace left to right, and I'm probably going to triangulate it somehow to help hold things square. Because this floor structure isn't very solid, when the cab sits down on the frame, the floor kind of does this. Not that dramatic, but it's there. So I'm going to lift up the front of the cab to take the pressure off before I brace the inside. Hopefully you'll see what I'm talking about when I brace this up. The reason I raise that up is because I don't want that pressure of that cab messing with this, sucking this over, or anything really. I don't want that being a factor of twisting this cab a little bit before I brace it, and then once I brace it, it'll be locked in. So take the weight off, let it flex out where it's normally at, and I'll add my bracing. I just noticed when I open the door, and I hope the camera catches this. Let me try it again. This whole area here kind of sags right when I open the door. See if I can get it from this side. So, probably gonna have to do a couple layers of steel on this to get it past this bump, so that the door's holding all this square when I weld the brace in. Got the cab all braced up and ready to go. I've got this cart to put the cab on, but I need to brace it up a bit because when we brought the cab home, it bent this down. So I've got some angle iron I'm going to weld on there, make it sturdier. And I got some flat stock to make another triangle. We'll sturdy that up and we'll get the cab back in the barn. there it is, all welded up. Got some angle iron, cross brace. I'm gonna throw a little bit of paint on it. And then I'm gonna go get the cab up in the air and get this set underneath. Quick shot of primer, just some rattle can. Yes, I know I should have degreased it and cleaned it off a little better, but I just need something quick to get me by for today. Alright, I'm all set up. Got my pallet rack, chain hoist. Got a chain around the 4x4. Straps go around the 4x4. Hook into the ends of my bracing. And then I have a strap here in front just for a little stability. Up it goes.
That's good.
Got it inside. I'm gonna add a brace from there down to there, both sides. Something about like so. And then it'll be ready to go.